The Infiniti Q50 is slated to be a carryover version. We don't anticipate to see many adjustments, if any type of, on the high-end sedan. The sedan is a traditional understated lorry with smooth designing, and seats 5 and left 1 comfort, though 4 will certainly have plenty of area. The Infiniti has stayed reasonably unmodified for nearly 10 years, and also we wish to see a refresh or redesign quickly. The outside of the 2024 Q50 must have the same flowing lines as the existing model on sale. On the within, we're intending to see an updated interior with a larger main screen rather than its typical 2-screen facility stack. However, considering that the 2024 Q50 is coming out as a carryover version, we aren't holding our breath for this modification. Existing Q50 designs have an 8-inch top touchscreen and a 7-inch reduced touchscreen. The upper display is made use of as the infotainment display screen, while the reduced display is used to regulate automobile setups. Other conventional attributes include wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Vehicle, a Wi-Fi hotspot, a 16-speaker Bose audio system, satellite radio, and HD radio, navigating, as well as Bluetooth. The present Q50 includes a 3.0 liters twin-turbo V6 in one of 2 states of tune. Base Luxe and mid-level sensory trims are tuned to generate 300 horsepower and also 295 pounds-to-foot of torque, while state-of-the-art red sporting activity models produce 400 horsepower and 350 pounds-to-foot of torque. Safety features consist of forward accident warning, onward and also reverse automatic emergency braking, lane separation caution, lane maintaining help, dead spot surveillance, back cross traffic alert, parking sensing units, adaptive cruise control, as well as a surround view parking camera.